This 2024 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored VGF 391T145 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Lamoni, Iowa, 50140 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features a SLATE interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 160 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.